So what do you got for me?
Your new partner.
What do you mean?
Come on back, you gotta check this out. All right, here we go. You are gonna love this.
So you're showing me a machine?
Actually, I'm showing you Athena. Remember when you said you'd buy a new machine if it also came with an operator?
Yeah.
All right, do me a favor. Say, okay, Athena, who are you?
Okay, Athena, who are you?
I'm a voice-operated assistant that makes machining easier and more productive.
How exactly do you do that?
I listen to your voice commands to do different tasks, from warming up the machine to running a job. I can give you status reports, notify you of upcoming events on the machine, run you through a startup or maintenance checklist, zoom in and out of a part print, and coach you with videos. I do my best to close the skills gap, increase the use of an OEM's special features, boost universality among various OEM brands, and enable the operator to perform better.
Is this for real?
It sure is.
So I could hire a pizza delivery guy and he could operate this machine?
Yep, pretty much.
Holy shh. Sorry, Athena.
That's okay. I love shop talk.
Ah, yeah.
Pretty good, man.
Athena, the voice of manufacturing.